Hello, welcome everyone. This is for class 10 news version. So today we'll talk about symmetry. Um, Here we go. So at first, what is symmetry? Where do we find this? Actually, symmetry is an important geometrical concept, commonly exhibited in nature and is used almost in every field of our activity. So first topic, the line of symmetry of a regular polygon. Actually, a polygon is a closed figure made of several line segments. A polygon is said to be regular if all its sides are of equal length and all its angles are equal. So that means there are two important factors. The sides are equal and, and the angles are also equal. The triangle is a polygon made up of the at least number of made up of the least number of line segments. An equilateral triangle is a regular polygon of three sides. An equilateral triangle is irregular because its sides as well as angles are also equal. A square is the regular polygon of four sides. Okay. So here you can see the picture of a regular polygon. This one is an equilateral triangle, and here all the sides have the equal length. If this one is 5 centimeter, this should be also 5 centimeter, and this one will be also 5 centimeter. And now here you can see that all the angles are 60 degrees. Okay. And in this figure, this one is a square, all the angles are 90 degrees and all the sides are also equal. So the sides of the square are equal and each of the angles is equal to one right angle, that means 90 degrees. Similarly, in regular pentagons and hexagons, the sides are equal and the angles are also equal as well. In this shape, hexagon, regular hexagon, all the sides have same length and all the angles are 120 degrees. Each regular polygon is a figure of symmetry. Therefore, it is necessary to know the lines of symmetry. Each regular polygon has many lines of symmetry as it has many sides. If you can see that in an equilateral triangle there are three lines of symmetry, that means the lines should go through a center point. Okay, so this is can be called a centroid. If you draw if you can draw three medians, okay, you can find the centroid of this triangle, and these three lines are called the lines of symmetry. In a square, you can see there is four lines of symmetry: 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 lines of symmetry in regular polygon: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's all. And 6 lines of symmetry for regular symmetry. So you can see that the numbers of sides and the lines of symmetry is almost equal. So now we can move on to the next topic, rotational symmetry. What is rotational symmetry? Rotation means when an object rotates around any fixed point, its shape and size do not change, but the different parts of the object change their position. If the new position of the object after rotation becomes identical to the original position, we say the object has rotational symmetry. The wheels of a bicycle, ceiling fan, square, etc. are examples of objects having rotational symmetry. As a result of rotation, the blades of the fan looks exactly the same as the original position more than once. The blades of a fan rotate in the clockwise direction or in the anti-clockwise direction. The wheels of a bicycle may rotate in the clockwise direction or in the anti-clockwise direction. The rotation in the anti-clockwise direction is considered the positive direction of rotation. So this one should be marked as very important info for all of you. The rotation in the anti-clockwise direction is considered the positive direction of rotation. Okay. Now another topic, the fixed point around which the object rotates is the center of rotation. The angle of turning during rotation is called angle of rotation. Rotation means turning. Okay, a full turn means rotation by 360 degree. A half turn is rotation by 180 degree. In this figure, the figure below, you can see a fan with 4 blades. 1, 2, A, B, C, D, 4 blades. Rotating by 90 degree is shown in different positions. It is noted during a complete revolution in 4 positions, rotating about the angle 90 degree. If this point A come to this point, you can see at B point, you can see it has done one rotation. Okay, but if these points are not given, you will not get any difference. You will not find any difference by looking at the pictures. Okay, if you don't give any point, so you will find that the fans are exactly the same. There is no distinctive factor. For this reason, it is said that the rotational symmetry of the fan is order 4. What is order? If you rotate this A point will come again after 4 rotations. After one rotation it comes at this point, after 2 rotation it comes at this point, and after third rotation it comes at this point, and at the very last point it gains its previous position, or you can say that in the first position. Okay, so it took 4 turns, so that means the fan has 4. If it has 4 blades, you can say that the fan order of symmetry, rotational symmetry, is order 4. Now here is another topic. Here is one more example of a rotational symmetry. Consider the intersection of 2 diagonals of a square, the center of rotation. In the quarter turn about the center of the square, any diagonal position will be as like as the second figure. In this way, when you complete 4 quarter turns, a square reaches its original position. It is said that a square has a rotational symmetry of order 4. It has the same thing, just like before, the example we have discussed before, as the fan blades. Okay. Now, observe also that every object occupies the same position after one complete revolution. So every geometrical object has the rotational symmetry of order at least 1. This one is very important for all of you for objective questions. For finding the rotational symmetry of an object, one need to consider the following method. These 4 things you should keep in mind. Okay, the first one, the center of rotation, the axis, you can also say, the angle of rotation, the direction of rotation, the order of rotational symmetry. So center of rotation, angle, direction, order. Okay, Kado, I can say. Okay, so that's all from today. Thank you everyone. Hope you got the main gist of this topic. Okay, thank you everyone.